Ruby. There we go. Maybe we're in focus. Good morning, Ruby.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning, everybody.
Morning, viewers.
What?
Saying morning to the viewers.
Ladies and gentlemen, please. Viewers. What do you think?
Morning, gentle viewers.
No, that's your audience.
Yep, that's what I'm going to say.
No.
Yep.
No.
Good morning, gentle viewers.
Oh, morning, everybody. So, yeah, Thursday, starting the vlog. But I was just literally saying that I'm doing a shit job at this vlog. It's bad. I'm not recording anything. I was literally seeing there. You can see all those birds that are on the side of the wall. I used to have vlogs of the guy that was feeding the birds. He's an old gentleman with a long beard, just walks around and feeds the birds in Boscombe. I had a vlog about him. Now I have this one.
I'm not the dad can't blame it on me.
You.
Not me.
You and your dancing. Come on, camera. Put it on camera. Nope. Put it on. Tom, put it on camera. Tom, put it on the camera, Tom. Tom.
You fucked it, Ray.
I'm
I'm afraid you fucked it by getting out the vlog camera.
Did I?
You did, yeah.
What?
Idiot. Octopus farm. Buzzkill.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a free transition for you in 4K.
So yeah, in town is the air show, and that's going to be happening over the weekend. And we came down to see the first showing of the Red Arrows, and that's about it. We're going to make some chow mein now. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. We haven't seen Tom for a while on the vlogs.
I know.
We don't. Hi, Glenny. Look, it's Glenny. Hi, Glenny.
I've been on the vlog a couple of times. Surely.
You have. There was a vlog just about you yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah. Megan CPK.
Oh, is it up?
Today? No, tomorrow morning or something.
Hi,
Yeah.
Megan. I'm going to be a helpful and productive member of the vlogging.
That's enough of this. Oh, I made some chow mein tonight. Chinese chow mein. It's great, but I made so much of it. Look, it's ridiculous. We already ate. Now, tonight we're going to be watching the Great British Bake Off, the first episode of the new series. The new series is airing on Channel 4 apparently now, but didn't know actually. But it's recent news for me. But baking off it is. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna clock off early and we're gonna go down to the air show. So we're gonna do a little barbecue and watch the planes. That's gonna be interesting. But meanwhile, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good night, Ruben.
Good night. Taking your clothing off the sofa.